Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you in this video how to stop people from sharing what you post on their stories on Facebook. It's very quick and easy to just follow what I do, and let's get started. So first of all, on Android, click on this Facebook and then click on these three threads at the top right corner and show iOS at the bottom right corner, and this will open on the Facebook menu. And all I need to do is just scroll down, click on settings and privacy, then open the settings, and this will display all your settings. All you need to scroll down and see the privacy tab and click on the timeline and tagging tab. So just allow others to share your post to their story. Third line you can see here, and it is on right now, but all you need to do is just click on no, and this will turn it off, so people can share your posts on their story anymore. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped out, please leave a like and let me know in these comments you have worked, and appreciate that. But if this video helps you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how to channel and YouTube. I would appreciate it. Thank you.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.